This will be a quick tutorial for how to use Revo Uninstaller to fully uninstall programs from your computer. You will start by downloading the file. You can either get the file from the tag via the Discord server where you were directed from, or just from their website. For those of you not coming from the server, here is a quick tutorial on how to install it from the website. Simply look up Revo Uninstaller and go to their website, and then hit Products in Revo Uninstaller Free. Then from here, you can download the free portable. Now that you have the file, open up File Explorer and then open up your Downloads folder. And once you're in here, you should be able to see the file. Go ahead and left click it to select it, then right click it to open up the menu and hit Extract All. And make sure you check Show Extracted Files when complete. Another tab will open, and go ahead and open up the portable file inside the tab. Then double click the exe file to run it. Windows will ask if the app has permission to make changes. Go ahead and hit Yes. After that, Revo should open. As you can see in the bottom left, it is loading, so give it a couple seconds till it is completely done. Once it is done loading, you can choose the software you want to uninstall by right-clicking it. I will be uninstalling 7-zip for this example. Once you right-click it, go ahead and hit Uninstall. Then, in the newly opened window, uncheck Make System Restore Point and hit Continue. At this point, the software's own uninstaller will appear. Go ahead and follow the steps inside there to uninstall it. Once you've done that, set Scanning to Advanced and hit Scan. If it finds any leftover registry items, hit Select All, then Delete, and then hit Yes. For any leftover files and folders, select All, hit Delete, and then hit Yes. Some files may require a restart. If you get a pop-up such as this, hit OK, and then make sure to restart your computer once you're done uninstalling. Go ahead and hit Finish, and the process is complete. Feel free to then and go delete the Revo Uninstaller file from your downloads if you wish. If you were redirected here to uninstall something from the Discord server, you are good to head back now and let them know that you've uninstalled the requested software. Like mentioned, our Discord server, along with the website for Revo Uninstaller, are both linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.